Well, I would like to report something. I woke up in the middle of the night. I was supposed to be at a sleepover, and, well, there's someone banging on the door. I don't know what to do. My name is Henry, and oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. There's dead bodies in a bathroom. I don't know what to do. Please send someone, please. I'm running out of time. I can't go out in a town like this. I just can't. Please. Henry, what are you talking about? It's 3 a.m. in the morning. What are you talking about? Body in the bathroom. What? Look, in the fucking bathroom. Oh, God.